Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 18th of February. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. Cloudy skies, a little swath of snow coming down from the northwest. Yesterday it looked like the heaviest would be along the Mass Pike. Now it looks like the heaviest will be south of the Mass Pike, and it's not very heavy, according to an inch or two. That is about it. Most of that accumulation during the evening hours. Temperatures today in the 30s, back to the 20s tonight. So when you get up tomorrow, there'll be some slippery spots. Tomorrow, if there is a flurry in the morning, it's out of here, then mostly sunny, temperatures in the 30s. Another system arrives Friday, a little bit of snow in the morning, then some rain and snow in the afternoon, temperatures in the 30s. Not a lot of accumulation. It comes to an end as snow Friday night down near 30. Saturday, a little bit of a break, mostly cloudy, mid to upper 30s, and then we'll watch and see whether a more important storm gets us here Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. That one could be more significant depending on the exact track of it. So some of the models showing that that storm system's going to, be a snow maker and accumulation's going to be significant. Others just taking it out to sea. We're going to have to wait and see exactly what happens with that. And again, that's on towards Sunday. I'm not sure whether or not that thing's going to hit us or not at this point. Some of the models just take it completely out to sea and other models bring it a lot closer. So want to wait a couple more days for that one. But again, it's just going to depend on whether or not this thing gets close enough. It's going to be a big system out in the ocean again, but as we've seen a lot this winter, some of these systems look like they're going to get us, and then they don't. So we'll just have to wait and see and give it a little more time. But, the chance of snow, if we're going to get it, it's going to be a Sunday night. It's kind of a Monday deal. So we'll see whether or not we have a snowstorm here coming up on Monday. Have a great day, everybody.